Well, hello people, it's about 2:30 and I have arrived. And that's the restrooms, and there's my neighbor, and here I am. Got my site all set up. Looking good, huh? Got a fire ring, fire pit, barbecue. Jeez. Looking good there, Charlie. What else did I have? Well, look at this. My own exclusive patio. How cool is that, baby? Got the river going there and everything. Wow. Creature from the Black Lagoon, baby. So what do you think? I'm here for 7 days. Cost me $2 a night for electricity. Not bad. I did site the last time I was here about 2 or 3 years ago. But you know, it was not empty. It is now. I got it, baby. Partial hookups. They got power and water, and they have a dump station. But there you go. Now I go in and tell them where I'm at. I'm all set up, and tell them I'll be seeing you later. It's 2:30 now, and been a long day. I'm going to go take a break. Enjoy. See you all later from Ocean Cove RV Resort, Ocean City, Washington. Enjoy your day.